We're here in Castle Rock, Colorado today with Cinda and Scott. Can you tell us a little bit about how long you've lived here and what your experience has been with storms?
Well, we've lived here for approximately 23 years, and unfortunately we've had to replace our roof 4 times due to the hailstorms that we've had. And so, frankly, we've just been looking for a different answer to get away from having to do that quite so often. And that's why we decided to go with Euroshield.
And what did you have before Euroshield?
We just had asphalt shingles, like I would imagine like most people have. And Cinda can tell you a little bit more about that.
So those type of shingles leave a lot of the pebbles, and every time it hailed, the patio was a mess. And so when I heard about Euroshield and the type of material it was made out of, I no longer have to sweep my patio all the time. So that's definitely a plus.
Yeah.
And how did you hear about Euroshield?
Well, actually, we have a neighbor that was the first client of Euroshield here in Colorado, I believe. And so after speaking with the neighbor, we decided to give Johnson Roofing a call, and they were able to accommodate us.
And how was your experience with Johnson?
Go ahead.
Oh, it was amazing. We just really appreciated. He brought us, actually he had a sample, and then he left us the entire sample, which we still have to this day. And we put it out on the patio just to see, and showed us all the different colors and just gave us all the information that we needed. It was a great experience.
That's great to hear. And so did you see any differences in your insurance premiums?
You know, I don't think I've noticed that, unfortunately. We thought maybe we would, but I think that's kind of up to the insurance carrier that you have, whether or not they would do that or not.
Do you know if you had a Class 4 asphalt shingle?
We did before,
okay.
Yes, yes.
So you already had the discount?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
But unfortunately, it didn't seem to solve your problem.
No.
Correct.
Okay.
Correct.
How many years were those 4 roofs over?
That was probably over about 13 years. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So 4 roofs in 13 years.
Yes.
Yeah.
In that time frame, did you see differences in what happened with your deductibles when you had to replace the roofs?
Actually, we had a pretty good insurance program or plan, and so the deductibles were pretty fair. However, now we found out that our insurance deductible will be much higher in the event that we have to do that in the future. So
Yes.
we're really looking forward to not having to do any kind of replacements in the future.
They have upped the insurance in this area because we are such a hail-prone area.
Yes.
So we don't even worry about it when.
And how long have you had your Euroshield roof?
We've had it for 3 years now, actually 3 years to this month. And so thankfully, we haven't had a major hailstorm since we've had them, but we have had hail.
Yep.
And like Cinda said, it's nice to not have to kind of clean up after the.
It just kind of bounces off, and
Yeah.
you don't have anything to worry about.
Yeah.
And so like you said, you had a neighbor, you have a neighbor that has a Euroshield roof that has had it for a decade now.
Yeah.
And what has happened since you put your roof on in your cul-de-sac?
2 more neighbors have also put on Euroshield.
So you have of the 6 homes on this cul-de-sac, 4 of them have Euroshield product. So, and
It's great.
everybody seems to be quite happy with it.
Yes.
Any other thoughts or comments regarding your experience so far?
I would just highly recommend Euroshield because you just have such a peace of mind, and the crew was great. Everybody we worked with was wonderful. It was a fairly quick process. And
At one point, we had 12 installers up on the roof at one time, so it went pretty quick.
they got the job done for us, and have just answered all of our questions, so we would highly recommend it.
Yeah.
Excellent. Well, thank you very much for your time. We appreciate you letting us visit.
Thank
You're
you.
welcome.